Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Smith. I am here today to talk to you about Padlet. Padlet is where you access your art lessons if you are an at-home learner, also known as an asynchronous learner. The Padlet, these are called tiles, and these tiles have different lessons, okay? So let me go ahead and start with this tile. Is just your art class information tile, and it just tells you how to contact me. It tells you the class, the schedule. Over here is Seesaw instructions. Seesaw is where you post your artwork so I can receive it and give you a grade for your artwork. So there's written directions here, and also there's a video that shows you how to upload your artwork to Padlet. We see a lesson for this week, a simple quick lesson for this week, a simple lesson from the previous week, and I want to show you guys in particular the choice board. I've noticed that I posted that a few weeks ago, and I've noticed that not a lot of you are getting onto it, and I've noticed that it has been difficult for some of you to access. So here's how it works. So you go to choice board, and you click here, and you let it load, and what it comes up is a PowerPoint. And, whoa, what's happening? There it is, okay. It might take a minute to load, that's strange, it took me a minute to load it. And so what we have here is a art library for books, art games, and number 3, how to draw videos. So this doesn't really work unless you click up here, this present button. When you click present, then you can see where you see my arrow, my computer arrow, you can see where it changes into a finger. And once it changes into a finger, the links are activated. So you can click there, and then you could click a book. So we studied about Georgia O'Keeffe recently, so we can click a story and you can read a story about Georgia O'Keeffe, okay? So we're not going to wait for that to load, but you go there. Also, you can click the next button. There's more books. Click the next button, this area right there, there's some more books, more books, more books. And you can go back, takes you to the main page. Then you can click here to art games. Click next page, and then you can play these little art games here. Okay, so I hope this helps. So once again, let's go back to the Padlet. Once again, here's Padlet. Here's where you access all of your art lessons, and especially I wanted to show you how to work the choice board. It's a lot of fun. It's got a lot of wonderful activities on it. So you just click here, click that present mode here. Waiting for my arrow to turn into a finger. Well, it's not going to turn into a finger, but click the arrow, and then your pages will be activated. I hope this helps. Please contact me if you're having any trouble. I'm always available. You can email me. You can contact me through Teams or Class Dojo or email. All right. Have a great day. I look forward to seeing your creations that you post on Seesaw. Bye-bye.